Good morning, guys. We're getting ready to go. It is time for T-ball, library drop-offs, all the things. We're gonna do good. The big kids are gonna go on the skate park while my littlest does T-ball. And yeah, it's gonna be good. I got my coffee on the go. So I got the lighting is clearly fabulous. But it's got some keto creamer in there, so you know. We're winning at life this morning. Life is good. So I got some books here to return and some other things over there. I have an itch. Hang on. Okay, course is averted. So yeah, life's gonna be good. We're gonna spray each other down with some sunscreen because we are pale as pale can be. So we need to protect our skin. But yeah, life's gonna be good. And I think later on today it's gonna get hot, so we're gonna do some fun things inside. I think we're gonna do the kids wanted to bake like some fun cookies and things like that, so we'll get on top of that. And yeah, all right, let's go. Okay guys, so with my MS, I can't overheat. So I got a water bottle and I got this cooling towel to wrap around my neck, because if I overheat, bad news for this girl. I ain't got time for that. I don't have time to be sick. So gotta take the proper precautions. Where can you find this?
Here's mine.
Walgreens.
Here's my glove.
Oh, well, we've already seen your glove, you goofball. So yeah, and you can find them at most places actually, so definitely check it out. What is he doing?
Good job golfing.
Just chopping up some.
Hey, oh my gosh, the day has flown from me. So we finished T-ball, came home, did lunch. I'll stick a little clip of my lunch in there. And we decided to bake all afternoon, and one of my boys went to the neighbor's house to go swimming, and so we did some baking, and I ketoized. I made up some it's hot outside. You want to go outside, Matt? All right, so anyway, so I ketoized some recipes, and so I did strawberry, it's supposed to be, it could be strawberry bread, or it kind of like a banana bread or something, or it could be muffins. So I made muffins, and I'm like tweaking the recipe and figuring it out. It's gonna be good. And then there was like a little frosting that goes on top. Seriously, you can't go wrong. And then I made chocolate chip cookies because chocolate chip cookies are life. So that's what we did. And I'll show you what they look like. Hang on. See, looking good, looking good. So they look firm, like hard, but they're actually quite soft. And what I did is with these is I let them rest for quite a while. And you know, sometimes like with a regular chocolate chip cookie, you can't wait to get them off the tray. And it's like, yep, I totally get it. But I let them rest for quite a bit and cool down, and they are actually quite delicious. So I will make sure to post that on my blog. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to do some dinner. I'm doing dinner in the Instant Pot. So we're gonna do some lemon chicken. So what I did is I put a cup of broth into the Instant Pot. And it says you could do a whole chicken, but I'm just gonna do like about maybe like 4 chicken breasts. I think that might be good. My boys would probably split one, and then, yeah, I don't know. They're pretty big. I'm sure there's some good extra hormones in there, right? Okay. I'm gonna get one more in there. And then, so what you do is I never know. Sometimes with the Instant Pot, like you cook something with the liquid and then the meat sticks to the pan. And then I'm like, well, that's great because now I got like these little burnt pieces of meat. But then like if I use a little grate thing, like, see like this doodad, sometimes I put that in there. And then I'm like, so it kind of like steams it and cooks it. And I don't know, we're just gonna give it a whirl, see what happens. And that's how it's gonna roll. So we're just gonna do that. So I'm supposed to sprinkle like a little bit of parsley on top, parsley flakes. I don't know. There's no exact measurements to this apparently. So, and then some salt and pepper. That's how it's going down. So yeah, this is how we're rolling. Yay. Sorry if that's really horrible in the sound there, but okay. So, let me know if you know where that's from. We'll be besties for life. So, okay. Then what we need to do is just put this on, the lid on, and cook for 30 minutes. And then natural release. And then what I have to do is put it under the broiler. Also, I squeeze some lemons on top, throw it under the broiler to get it crispy on top, and then I can serve it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I am tired, guys. Super tired. It's one of those days where I'm just like, I'm starting to drag. I'm hitting that afternoon slump, and I'm like, yay for MS. So with this dinner cooking there, I'm going to saute some asparagus, and we're gonna do cauliflower mash, which I made yesterday. I think I made it yesterday actually. And does that sound bad? It wasn't like a long time ago. It was like yesterday. And so I made a big batch of it, and we've just been kind of eating it little by little with each meal. This is gonna be good. And that'll be dinner and done. So, and then I'll be fasting. I'm gonna be fasting again to like lunchtime tomorrow. So it'll be all right. So I'm trying to get myself back into ketosis again, because after the long weekend, I had a really hard time eating keto, like when I'm away and doing stuff, and kind of the pain in the keister. So hopefully I can get my butt care. I don't know what my hair's doing. It's like, it's the end of the day frump hair. You know, it starts off good, and then you're like, what is this? I don't understand. So anyway, so that's what's happening. I cleaned my house today and got everything spick and span. It's been driving me crazy because I'm wanting to get the floors done for quite a long time. And you know, with summertime, the kids are home all day long, and they're in and out, and they're marking up the floors and everything else. And the way, like, that our house, we have a split level, so like when the sun comes in from the front, you can totally see all the marks, and I'm like, drives me crazy. So got that cleaned up, did laundry, got back from camping from the weekend, so that's all sorted. Life is good. So, all right, well, I guess maybe I'll just show you what dinner's like next, and that'll be my full day of eating for today, I guess. What I did, I want to include this. So what I didn't include so far is that I did have a drink of electrolytes, so that was good. And then I had a fat bomb mid-afternoon, just to like tie me over till dinner, because I was like, I know I didn't want to have something big and then ruin my dinner, and then so that's good. Oh, and I guess I did try a cookie. But you know, when you're trying out, when you're experimenting with recipes, you kind of just, you know, you have to, because you don't want to share something and have people be like, what is this? Like, we're not sharing that. So we're eating that, I should say. Anyway. Electrolyte blend that I have been using for a while. it's okay. I'm not totally blown away by it. I actually would kind of prefer to like just drink some Propel or something. But I'm just using it up because, you know, I bought it and might as well make good use of it, right? Like it's good for a reason. So I don't know. Let me know what other kind of electrolytes that you would like to try and all that. Okay, dinner is done. It went over really well. So I am done for the night. I'm going to be fasting till tomorrow's lunchtime. And, upstairs, buddy. Upstairs in the hall closet. And then, yeah, that's it for today. So the one thing that I've really had to practice is just to follow this motto of having my dinner and done. I could easily snack all night long. I've done it before. Clearly that's been helpful. So, but yeah, dinner and done. And then I have, sometimes I have a diet soda or I will have water. And I basically just chug water like all the time. So yeah, it's really good. And I'm really excited to share some recipes with you on my upcoming blog. And I'll be sharing that eventually with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment below, say hi, let me know more about you. And yeah, I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.